Hello and welcome. Today, we're looking at a perfect starting point for transforming your health. Easy 60-day gut reset protocol for beginners. Thank you for joining us. Are you new to the concept of gut health and feeling completely overwhelmed by all the information out there? Perhaps you know your gut might be contributing to your symptoms, like those associated with autoimmune conditions, but you don't know where to begin to make changes. Trying to navigate complex diets and habits alone can feel impossible. You need something manageable, something designed specifically for someone just starting out. Your gut plays a fundamental role in your overall wellness, influencing your immune system and inflammation levels. When your gut is unbalanced, it can significantly impact how you feel daily. Many people attempt drastic or sporadic changes that are hard to stick to, leading to frustration. What's needed is a clear, easy-to-follow path that provides a gentle yet effective reset. This is where an easy protocol designed for beginners shines. It takes the complexity out of gut healing and breaks it down into simple, actionable steps over a manageable time frame. The goal is to create a clean slate and build a foundation for optimal gut restoration. Experts emphasize that starting small and focused is key, especially for beginners. Actions so small they feel effortless form a foundation that can be built upon. An easy 60-day protocol focuses on creating a supportive daily routine that incorporates effective habits, simplified meal planning, and accessible mindfulness practices. It's like setting up a system that consistently nurtures your gut without requiring drastic, overwhelming changes. By setting up a structured daily routine, you're investing in long-term well-being. The time frame of 60 days provides a clear structure for setting and achieving tangible milestones, making the journey less daunting. Using frameworks like SMART goals helps set realistic objectives. This protocol helps you transition to gut-friendly choices gradually. It guides you in making informed decisions based on how your body feels, removing the guesswork. It emphasizes consistency through simple, daily actions. Even small wins, like documenting one meal or trying a short meditation, build momentum. An easy 60-day gut reset protocol provides a clear, structured, and manageable pathway for beginners to start healing their gut, reduce inflammation, and improve their overall well-being without feeling overwhelmed. Thank you for watching. If you're a beginner ready for an easy, step-by-step 60-day gut reset protocol, you can find a detailed video linked in the description below. You can also find a link to the full course to access this simple protocol and begin your journey to a healthier gut today. Don't forget to hit that like button. If you found this information was helpful, share this video to spread awareness about natural autoimmune recovery. And for all future modules on gut health and immune function, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications.